how to create a Steam account. So if you want to create a Steam account, then what you need to do is first you just need simply install the Steam application, or you can also go with your browser. So if you have the application, you can just open up your application and you will get this kind of interface, right? Or if you're on your browser, then you can just simply go with the search and search for Steam and click on welcome to Steam, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Go with login, which is on the top right, and here you will have the sign in section, and here from the bottom you can create your account. Or if you're using the application, you will have create a free account, which is right here. So click on create account and it will take you to your create account page, right? So you need to enter your email address on the first blank. So enter your email address. After that, confirm your address, and you need to enter your country of residence. Make sure to enter the correct one, and then click on I am a human and click on this box so that you agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, and click on continue, and it will start verifying your identity or your mail. You need to check your mail for an email from Steam to complete your account setup. So you just need simply open up your mail, go with gmail.com or accounts.google.com, and here you will have the Steam activation email verification. So click on verify my email address, and your email has been verified, right? Once it's verified, you can go back and you need to enter your account name. Go with choose password. You need to enter your password. After that, again, confirm your password. Once you've done, go with done, which is on the bottom, and it will start creating your account. And that's it. Just go with continue. Your account has been successfully created. Now you can simply enter your email and your password that you've just used and go with sign in, and you will be signed in. So that's how you can create your Steam account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.